I have been spending millions of dollars for the past 3 years working to slow my speed of aging. In doing this, my team and I have looked at the scientific evidence and we've tried to design the perfect diet. One where every calorie has had to fight for its life. Today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite meals called Super Veggie. It's a delicious way to get so many of your vegetables. Chef Jamie is going to show you how you can prepare it in 20 minutes time. I eat this every day and it's one of my most favorite moments. You're going to love it. To start, weigh and chop your raw vegetables. First, take cauliflower for anti-inflammatory and fiber. Chop into small pieces totaling 150 grams. Do the same with your broccoli, this time totaling 250 grams. Broccoli is for antioxidants, bowel health, and fiber. Now you've got your broccoli and cauliflower, measure out 50 grams of either shiitake or maitake mushrooms for immune system health, 1 peeled clove of garlic for heart and immune health, and 3 grams of ginger for a variety of benefits including liver, pancreas, artery health, and digestion. Chop your garlic and ginger and keep them aside for later. Next, boil the broccoli, cauliflower, and mushrooms together for 7 to 9 minutes until fairly soft. The base of your super veggie will be 150 grams of cooked black lentils for protein and fiber. Take your boiled broccoli, cauliflower, and mushrooms and add them to your base of lentils. There are a few more ingredients to make your super veggie complete. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin for inflammation, liver, and pancreas health. 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds for healthy omega-6 and 3. Add the chopped ginger and garlic you put aside earlier. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for blood sugar and taste. I also add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to every meal I eat for its incredible whole body benefits. You've now completed Super Veggie. Good job! Eating this can take me up to 34 minutes. I know, I've timed it. So sometimes I do a blended version. It's just as delicious and takes less time to eat. Because let's be honest, we all have things to do. For this version, toss your prepared super veggie and a little water into a blender. Blend until smooth. Whether blended or chopped, you can top with some new salt, a sodium-free salt substitute. Super Veggie makes me super happy, and it will for you too.